Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English book 4 page number 3 and today's topic is adjectives. You have already read it several times. You know adjective is a word which describes a noun and pronoun. So let's read what is written over here. Here one example is given. The captain had a brown bushy beard. The words brown, this word, and bushy, this word describe the captain's beard. So these are the adjectives. Here it is written a word which describes a noun is called an adjective, but you should keep remember adjective also describes a pronoun. Here there are some examples of adjectives. Let's read it. Arrogant, frantic, memorable, radiant, boisterous, gorgeous, obstinate, repulsive, contemptuous, hospitable, pompous, stagnant, distinguished, intelligent, ponderous, stationary, elaborate, laborious, prosperous, tumultuous. It's better try to memorize or try to keep remember these words meaning also we will get it. So after that here one exercise is here, a number exercise. Here it is written make a list of the adjectives in these sentences. Here in this place there are many sentences and you need to make a list. I am not going to make any list. I am just underlining the adjectives. At your home you will try to make a list. So let's read first sentence. 1 number question. Rabbits become tame and affectionate when kept as pets. See here by the word tame and affectionate actually we are describing whom? We are describing rabbits. Rabbits is a noun, so that's why these are the actually adjectives in this sentence. 2 number sentence. Here it is written fruit for jam making must be ripe, dry and clean. In this place let's see which are the adjectives. Here see fruit for jam making must be ripe, dry, clean. These are the actually adjective because these are describing noun. 3 number question. The Canadian prairies are vast plains where huge quantities of wheat are grown. Here by the word Canadian we are describing this word, okay, are vast plains. This word are actually describing and this word also describing. So these are the adjectives. Tame mice are sociable but quarrelsome creatures. Here in this place see, tame is describing mice and sociable also describing the mice and quarrelsome also describing a noun. Which one? Creature. So here these 3 are adjectives. The otter has short legs, webbed toes and thick fur. Here see short is describing legs, webbed is describing toes and thick is describing fur. So these 3 are the adjectives in this sentence. 6 number. To withstand rough winds, lighthouses are built of interlocking blocks of masonry. In this place the adjectives are see here rough describing winds and another one is interlocking, it is describing blocks. So these are the adjectives of this sentence. B number. Copy the adjectives in the column on the above, means from this place and it is told opposite each write the meaning from the list below which matches it. Use a dictionary to help. So I am doing it by myself, but try to do by yourself at your home first time, then match with my one. Okay. So here first one see rich, colored and splendid. What will be? It will be gorgeous. So right in this place here it will be gorgeous. Giving a warm welcome. Answer will be hospitable. Write it here, hospitable. Next one, very scornful. Its answer will be contemptuous. right here, contemptuous, contemptuous. Okay. Phone number, requiring much work. This will be laborious. Write it here. Laborious. Okay. So next one, boastfully proud. Its answer will be first one, arrogant. So we will write in this place, it will be arrogant. Next one, successful, thriving. So which can be, in this place it will be prosperous. So write in this place, prosperous, prosperous. Next one, well known or famous. So what can be, its answer will be distinguished. So let's write here, this place right here, well known, famous, it will be distinguished, distinguished. Okay. 8 number, heavy and clumsy. Heavy and clumsy, it will be ponderous. So write in this place, it will be ponderous. Okay. 9 number, bright, shining. What will be? It will be radiant. So write in this place, here will be radiant. Next one, quick at learning. Here in this place we will put intelligent. So write it here, intelligent. Okay. So next one, 11 number, self-important. What will be? Self-important will be pompous. So we'll write in this place, that will be pompous. Next one, not moving. I think you know all its meaning. After that we can see from above. This one, stationary. So we will write here, stationary, stationary. So next one, 13 number, very noisy and disorderly. What will be here? We can write here, boisterous, boisterous. Boisterous. Okay. Next one, worked out with great care. We will write elaborate. So here we will put elaborate. Okay. Next one, not running or flowing. We will write here stagnant. So write here stagnant, S-T-A-G-N-A-N-T, stagnant. Next one, stubborn. Here in this place we will write obstinate. After that you can see the spelling from this place. This is obstinate. Here, obstinate. So write here, obstinate. Next one, rough, excited. So in this place what can we write? There we will put this one, tumultuous. So put it there. Here it will be tumultuous. Okay. 18 number, causing strong dislike. What will be here? There we will put repulsive. So let's put here what? Repulsive. Next one, not to be forgotten. Next to be forgotten will be memorable. So here we can write memorable. Next one and last one, wild with rage or pain. So only one is left, see which one. That is frantic, so we will put there, that is frantic. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. Today we have done adjectives, and here we have found some odd meanings. These are so important odd meaning for your life. You will face these words several times in your life. Please try to keep remember, try to memorize it, and try to use these in your writing. So next day we will do page number 4. There we will find the topic, that is adverbs, and adverbs is related with verb and adjective. We will read it next day. Bye for today.